Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to the questions pertaining to the logical reasoning section of the paper. So what we'll be doing is basically we'll discuss the about in detail about the section a little bit, and then subsequently we'll take a look at the question in front of us so that we can get a general idea about the approach. So having said that, if we talk about the LR section this year that we have seen, the kind of questions that have come in this year's LR paper are more or less of the similar kind that we have already seen come in the previous papers as well. So nothing out of the box was expected, or nothing new kind of questions are asked. But however, that being said, the questions that we have seen are typically of a greater difficulty level, as many of them required a deeper level of critical thinking. So that in turn contributed towards making the section more complex and the paper more complex in general. Okay, so having said that, we'll focus on the kind of question, a particular kind of question that we have seen in this examination. The question that we'll be focusing on is basically find the letters between two alphabets. So that kind of question. Okay, so having said that, let's focus on this. How many pair of letters are there in the word searches, each of which has as many letters between them in the word as in English alphabet? Okay, so like we've discussed a similar sort of question before pertaining to alphabets, it's always better to write down all the alphabets following their numbers as well subsequently. So let me draw that particular table again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L and M. Okay, now write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26, and subsequently N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So make sure anytime you come across any kind of question involving alphabets, make sure you draw this table. So it will give you a general idea about the numbers of each letter, the difference between the numbers, the opposites of each and every alphabet. So all the details you will get. Now, what we are supposed to conserve, we are supposed to be concerned with the word S, E, A, R, C, H, E, S. Okay, so we are concerned with that particular word. So we have to find out how many pairs of letters are there in searches such that there are as many letters between them as there in the English alphabet. Okay, so with that being said, let me just write down the numbers for each. So S here is 19, so we'll write 19 below S. E here is 5, A is 1, R, R is 18, so R is 18, followed by C is 3, H is 8, E is 5 and S is 19. Okay, so now if we see 19, if we go forward, so 19, 5, no, there's no 19, 18, so there should be one letter between, no letter between them. So 19, if we go from S towards any direction, that does not satisfy. If we go with 5, no, 6, 7, 8, no. Had this been 9, it would have, had this particular number been 9, it would be satisfied, but no, again going towards 5 also it does not satisfy. Now 1, 2, 3, yes, 1, 2, 3, there's one letter between them, and also 1, 2, 3, there's only one letter, that is 2, so yes, we have 1. Again 3 to 5, again 3 to 5, again, yes, that also helps, there's only one letter between them, so that is also help. 3 to 5, 18, 19, no, nothing. 3 to 5, again nothing. 8 to 9, no, nothing. So if you come backwards, again 19, nothing. 5 to 3, 5, 4, 3, again we already have counted this, we cannot take. 8, 18, none. 3 to 1, again it's already done. So yes, only two letters, two pairs of such letters are concern. Okay, I think we have missed. Hang on. 5. This is 5, right? And 1. Okay, 1 to 5 is also there. 1 to 5, there are 3 letters. Okay, so 1 to 5, there are again 3 letters. Here also 3 letters are there between 1 to 5. And here again A to E, that is 1 to 5, there are again 3 letters. So another pair we have found. Okay, so we have 3 pairs of such letters. So option 4 is our correct answer. I don't see any other pair. Yes, this is our answer towards the same. So I hope this is clear to you how we actually came out with the solution of the same. So the pairs here are nothing but AC, AE and CE. So these are our pairs. Okay. So in case you're looking to get yourself a fully detailed solution of the entire paper itself, comprising of the BARC, the LRDI and the QA section, feel free to connect with us. You can actually do that by going through the description section of the video, wherein you will find all the details pertaining to our email address, our website link and our phone numbers on which you can connect with us via, you can mail us, you can visit our website or call, text and WhatsApp us on the numbers provided. Okay. Feel free to connect with us in case you have any kind of doubt regarding any subject in general, you need help regarding your exam preparation or doubt regarding any kind of topic relating to any kind of subject, you feel like connecting with us, feel free to connect with us on that as well. And also in case you need a fully complete solution of the paper itself, we'll be more than happy to help you out with those as well. So with that being said, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So if you are having any difficulty, I suggest you go through the paper multiple times, go through the video multiple times so as to get you a clear idea of the way we solve this question, and subsequently try and solve this question, attempt this question on your own, keeping the video as a reference. So we'll continue our discussion on similar question further down the line, and until then I'm signing out. Thank you so much.